why the world runs on debt, and what happens if it stops. What if tomorrow morning every single loan on earth suddenly disappeared? No home mortgages, no student loans, no business loans, no government debt. At first, it might sound like the greatest financial miracle in history. But in reality, it could trigger one of the biggest economic collapses the world has ever seen. That's because the modern global economy doesn't just use debt, it actually runs on it. Most people believe money is created when governments print it or when countries mine valuable resources. But the truth is far more surprising. In modern economies, most money is created when banks issue loans. When someone takes a loan to buy a house, start a company, or expand a business, banks often create that money digitally in the financial system. That loan becomes new spending power in the economy. That spending power fuels construction, jobs, investments, and innovation. In simple terms, debt creates economic activity, but there's a catch. Every loan comes with interest. That means tomorrow's economy must grow larger than today's economy just to keep up with the payments. This is one reason governments encourage borrowing, businesses take on credit, and financial markets continue expanding. The entire system is built on the expectation that growth will continue. Today, global debt has climbed to more than $300 trillion. That's more than three times the size of the entire global economy. If borrowing suddenly stopped, companies would struggle to grow, governments would cut spending, and millions of jobs could disappear. In other words, debt is not just a financial tool. It has become the fuel that powers the entire economic engine. But that also raises a powerful question. How long can an economy built on constantly expanding debt continue to grow? And what happens if the system finally reaches its limits? If you want to explore the hidden system shaping money, power, and the future of our world, make sure to subscribe to the Portal of Futures. Because understanding the future starts with understanding the systems quietly shaping it today.